Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to send a one-click refund request on Cash App. A first way to ask for your money back if you sent it by mistake. And let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Next, go to your activity tab, the clock icon to see all the recent transactions. Find the payment you want to refund and tap it onto the details. Then click the three dot icon on the transaction. You get a page like this. Select Request Refund. This sends an instant request to the recipient to return your money. You can also add a note explaining why you are requesting the refund to increase your chances of getting it back. And you have just sent a one-click refund request. The recipient can approve it and the money will be returned to your Cash App balance. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.